Hi. Welcome to our channel, CIVIKNOWLEDGE. Today, the topic we are going to discuss is causes of cracks in concrete. Generally, it is assumed that cracks are due to some problems in the foundation, but it is not always correct. Cracks can appear in concrete due to improper design or bad quality work. Our first cause is excess water in the mix. Concrete does not require much water to achieve maximum strength. But majority of concrete used in residential work has too much water added to the concrete. This water is added to make the concrete easier to install. But this excess mixing water evaporate and concrete became harden. When water leaves the slab, it leaves behind large voids between the solid particles. These empty spaces make the concrete weaker and more chance to cracking. Our second cause is temperature differences. Changes in the temperature of concrete can cause cracking. If the concrete gets hotter, it expands, and if concrete gets cooler, it contracts. If the concrete wants to expand or contract but can't, it will most likely crack. Our third cause is insufficient vibration. Due to insufficient vibration, it generates excessive amount of entrapped air voids that most of the times called bug holes. These empty spaces make the concrete weaker and more chance to cracking. Our fourth cause is errors in design. Errors in design such as inadequate amount of reinforcement, improper design of foundation, precast members, and slab etc. may result in cracking. Our fifth cause is due to heavy load applied. The heavy load in a structure during construction can also lead to cracking, especially at the younger stage when the formwork is removed earlier. The cracks occurring when the force exceeds its maximum tensile strength. Our sixth cause is corrosion of the steel reinforcement. The corrosion of steel develops a huge amount of iron oxide that have a much greater volume than the volume of metallic iron. Hence the volume is increased, and concrete starts cracking. If you have reached the last of this video, then congratulations. Everyone does not invest time for information and knowledge. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for our next upcoming videos.